Seventh grade Connected Math midterm review, question number 6. The question says the number of students at the Burlington Township Middle School is 21 multiplied by the number of teachers. So we need to keep that in mind. A says use symbols to express the rule relating to the number of students and the number of teachers as an equation. Use single letters for your variables and identify what each letter represents. It said the number of students is 21 times the number of teachers. Times the number of teachers. Whenever you have a number smushed against the letter, it means multiply. So the number of students is 21 times the number of teachers. We're not done though, because it said and identify what each letter represents. That's good enough just labeling it like that. You could also make a key like S equals students, T equals teachers. I just like this way, it's more visual. And if you really want to go above and beyond, you can label what the 21 means. Again, you don't have to do that. If there are 50 teachers at Burlington Township Middle School, how many students attended the school? Alright, we're going to use the same formula that we just figured out to get the answer to that. They're telling us that there's 50 teachers. So out of these unknowns, the S for students and the T for teachers, we know that there's 50 teachers. So we're going to plug that 50 in for where the T is. And remember, when you have a number smushed up against a parenthesis, that means multiply. And that brings us to our answer. There are 1,050 students, because it says how many students attend the school. Now we're on to letter C. If 1,260 students attend the Burlington Township Middle School, how many teachers attend the school? Again, using the same formula that we have been using all along, we're going to do the exact same type of thing, but this time we know what the students are. There's that many students. So instead of S, we're going to put 1260 into S. So now we just got to figure out what T is. So we want to get T by itself. Right now T is being multiplied by 21, so we have to do the opposite and divide by 21. By dividing by 21, it's going to cause these two 21s to cancel, which leaves you with 1T, which is the same thing as just plain old T. Now, however, we have an equal sign here, and that's treated just like the fulcrum of a seesaw. Whatever you do to one side of the equal sign or the equation, you must do to the other. Otherwise, it's not going to balance just like a seesaw. So if we were to divide by 21 on this side of the seesaw, we have to divide by 21 on this side as well. Alright, so we have the divided by 21 over here, and as I mentioned, these canceled. So what are we left with? Alright, just because I'm running out of room here, I'm going to rewrite it over here. All of this after that cancels is the same thing as T equals 1,260 over 21. Now what does that mean? This is the same thing as this. This can be treated as a division bar. So that 1,260 divided by 21 is all that's saying. So we get an answer of 60. What does that mean? There are 60 teachers at the school. And that's it for number 6 of the midterm review.